So this is a Klipsch 12-inch reference powered sub, the R12SW. It retails for about 600 bucks. This is one of two right here in this theater. Okay. Clients were complaining about a hum very similar to this right here. And I found out why. Monoprice 2-meter RCA, $1.88. $600 sub, $1.88. Made this cable here to replace it. You can see that actually the end broke off there, and I actually had to pry that out of the RCA jack in the wall. Making this cable, replaced it. It's probably going to be about 20 bucks, and I can guarantee you it's not going to break or cause a hum, and it hasn't been humming. As a professional, why would you use this cable?